Wait 2 more minutes. Wait 2 more minutes. Students are joining. Okay, myself Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about Kubernetes cluster. How to create Kubernetes cluster, how to configure VPC, virtual private cloud. Okay, how to configure stock. Everything will be seen in this class. Okay. So firstly, what is the cluster? Okay, I will show you in a easy format today. This is no. First one is kubectl. First one is kubectl. This is control plane. This is client machine. This is EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Cluster. Elastic Kubernetes. We can use Elastic Kubernetes service. We can use Elastic Cluster. Elastic. In this, here, like HS cube CFG file is there for communicating purpose. Kubectl control panel, kubectl under control panel by using cube CFG configuration file is there. We can map with the cluster with CFG by using command line. After that, this is EKS cluster. Okay, EKS cluster. EKS cluster consists of worker nodes. What is worker node? Means cluster members. Worker nodes nothing but cluster members. Worker node 2. Okay. By using APIs, schedulers, we can contacting. Okay. In the kubectl, we have mapping with the cluster members like IHS. Okay. In a plugin cfg.xml, all cluster members available. See, let we see in the WebSphere. Plugin cfg plugin hyphen cfg.xml have cluster members are available. Like same here also, here in Kubernetes in Kubernetes kube cfg file is there for communicating client machine to cluster. That is EKS cluster. EKS means Elastic Kubernetes service. Elastic Kubernetes service. Okay, so everything is visible, right? I am also seeing. Okay, Elastic Kubernetes service. In this, for creating the cluster, we need VPC, virtual private cloud, and private cloud have subnets. Okay, some subnets are available. I will show you new subnet. I will show you subnets. This is zones means subnets. Private subnet, public subnets are available. This is middle is Kubernetes, Kubernetes create the subnets. Public subnet 1, public subnet 2. Okay, this is communication via Elastic Kubernetes service. Okay, this also same. Okay, private subnet 1, private subnet 2 available in this. Another only four available. Here I will clearly write in this box two public subnets, two private subnets available. I will show my detail. I have one. I will log in my my EC2 instance Amazon console. I will type MFA, multi-factor authentication. Okay, I will show what is how to do this. This is the my EKS cluster. I will show and I will tell you what are the steps. Okay, this is cluster. I have assigned IAM role for this. Okay, Amazon is here. We will see later this. Amazon is here. EKS Elastic Kubernetes Service. In this, we can create the cluster and map the cluster with worker nodes. See, we can create the worker nodes too. See, this is worker node 1, worker node 2, T3 medium, T3 medium. Read access, read access. This is worker node. We will see how to configure Elasticsearch and how to configure VPC in virtual private cloud. Okay, how to configure cloud formation. Okay, first of all, in the VPC, in the VPC, this is cluster. This is VPC, virtual private cloud. In this, see, four subnets are available. This is the architecture. Four subnets are available. See, in this, these two are public, 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 private subnets. Okay, this is root table. This is root table. This is zones, public and private zones available. Okay, this is the architecture for root table and subnet and VPC. I will show you in detail how the architecture will be there. So this we already is there, right? See, this is subnet VPC. RTB means root table. Okay, RTB root table. Root to the request route to the particular channels, particular containers. Here container nothing but a cluster. Okay, don't forget thing. Container nothing but a cluster. Each subnet have one. This is subnet. See one IP address is there. IP6, 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 IP4. No IP6, IP6, IP4 is there. We will check this. IP4 is configured. And after that, we will check cloud formation. What is the cloud formation? Create the. This is the one of the topic we will see. VPC cloud formation creation is complete. Okay, we can give the stack details. Okay, we will configure this. We have some steps are there. We can use these steps and we can configure like this. Okay, okay. I already yesterday I have done night. These are the steps available. Okay, one by one we will see. I have done deployment also in cloud and EKS cluster. We can done with all in command line and console also I did. This is the my deployment. This is certificate authority data. This is the EKS cluster. This is the name of the nodes cluster. Okay, how many clusters are available? We also see in this. These are the two cluster available. EKS cluster. See, these two are the clusters. EKS cluster is available. This is the cube CFG file is the config. We have to map with the cluster with cube CF cube config. I already did in yesterday. I have did. This is the deployment YML file we deployed in the cube CTL and deployment. See, Nginx deployment is created. Okay. This is the pods. This is pod servers. Okay. This is the IP address. 29 minutes. Okay. We can one by one we will configure. Okay. First, we will go to the VPC cloud formation with the below URL. Create VPC cloud formation. I will go through cloud formation. I am creating one. I am creating the stack. Okay, we will see here. Stack. Okay, I am creating with a new resource with the stack. I have already used with the Amazon S3 URL or upload the template file. I have already URL is available in this. We can download also manually. Yes, I already did this in yesterday by my practice. This is VPC, my VPC. See, this is the blocks, strings, CAD, public strings available, blocks and strings. Okay, description VPCs, which all provide cloud. Okay, like this available in the YML file. Okay, so we configure one by one based on this. Okay, I paste Amazon S3 URL in this YAML file. In this, click next. We can give the name of the stack name. We can give this EKS cloud formation. EKS already file is there. I think I will put underscore. This is the subnets automatically. VPC is created the subnets public and two private subnets. Subnet is mandatory to route the request to the kubectl. Okay, in kubectl, this is rollback stack resource and preserve is successfully preserve means rollback is fail. We can use stable. Okay, delete upon the next operation. Use delete policy and delete all new creator resource. We can use default by default stack policy notification. Next, template is ready. Okay, this is the blocks. This is one of the private subnet, two private subnets, two public subnets. VPC block is available. Virtual private cloud block is available in this. After that, create submit the VPC. If any use, we will see. Okay, cloud cluster is already exist. We can use previous 1 2 3. I will give 1 2 3. Submit. Okay. It is under progress. It will take time, at least 5 to 10 minutes. Time taken. So in this we will explain the kubectl images. It is a cluster what how to use kubectl. This is the cluster. Okay, this I will use this. I am I am I have interacting with the control panel. Control panel is Amazon Kubernetes service. In the control panel, okay, interacting with the application cluster. We can use APIs in the control plane. We can use APIs and the scheduler events and the control manager manages the APIs and schedulers. After that, in this control plane, we can configure cluster in the control plane. We can configure another pod and Kubernetes and kube proxy. Everything will be displayed. This is I will show what is pod, how to create pod. It will already think. This is the pod server pods. After that, after creating cluster and other things, two pods available and two proxies available. Proxy servers. We can route the request to the cluster. Traffic is route request to the clusters proxy. This is the two worker nodes. Cluster consists of two worker nodes. We can use 4 5, no issues based on the requirement. I have given only two yesterday's my practice. Okay. Go to the EKS cursor, click compute and add the node group. Okay, add node group. This is first step is completed. We can create IAM role in AWS. I will go to the IAM. I am creating the IAM for the cluster for this role. I am creating EC2 IAM. Create the role. Same AWS service. Choose as EC2 in this. 1 minute. Use case as EKS. Okay. Wait. Okay. Create EKS cluster using VPC and IAM role. After that, okay. I am creating Create IAM role EKS and assign the EKS cluster. Give the name as role. Okay. Okay. I am creating the cluster. Wait 1 minute. I am deleting cloud formation 123. I will recreate. So I am creating cloud VPC. I have using S3 URL. I will give name is different this time. EKS cloud formation. This is the four subnets. One private. Okay. This is four subnets. It's creating. Okay. I am going to the stack. It is going to progress. Deletion is completed. Deletion is completed. Deletion is progress. Deletion is progress. Okay. Unwanted we can remove. Okay. After that, go to the EKS Elastic Kubernetes service. We can create the cluster. I will create the cluster. Already which cluster name is available? EKS cluster. Okay. Now this time I can give. I can give EKS cluster is capital. One to EKS rule. Already I have assigned the rule. EKS 123 already created and I assigned the rule. Otherwise we can give the rule. Okay. Otherwise wait. I am creating IAM rule. I am creating EC2 choose here. I will give administrator access. I am creating the rule. Choose user EC2. Okay. Policy. I am selecting Amazon EKS cluster. Okay. Next, my role name is EKS underscore cluster 123. After that, this is the cluster policy I am adding. Create the role of the cluster policy. Same IAM role attached into the clusters. Okay. I will close and open. Okay. I am creating the cluster EKS cluster. This is the version EKS. Why it's not showing? After this, what is this? Or you can after creating the cluster, okay. Creating the ELS, VPS, and IAM rule SNCM. Roles, EKS. Why it's not showing? Wait. I will assign the roles. Wait. Why it's not coming? Its role is coming. Okay. Based on this, select. I will select. Okay. I will wait. It will come. already attached. Why it's not coming? Okay, I will take. Shall I take EKS rule? Okay, same. If I'll update later, I will update. Okay, I will take EKS rule 1, 2, 3. I created yesterday. Next, this is not I am creating. This is I created EK cloud formation. I created. I will show. I will not take by default. EKCS formation. EKCS formation VPC. You have subnets. 4 subnets are available. Okay. Here IP4, IP6. Okay. Here EKCS control plane is already created. That will take care about Kubernetes. EKS. This is private and public and private. Public and private means we can use both. Public means only public. Private means confidential. I can click next. We can click watch. We can use API server. We can use audit authenticator. We can use authenticator controller manager. We can use controller scheduler. We can use scheduler based on the requirement. Okay. Next, this is the thing happen in this. We can create automatically in this. Q proxy is created by default. DNS domain naming system is created, and VPN CNI is created already. See, I will update role. Okay, no issues. This is by default. It will there. No issue. Q proxy is created. Q VPC is network is created already. This this is the thing. This is the we have to create the VPC and a cluster. And with the command also we will do. I will do in the command also. In the command also I did yesterday. I will standard support November 2024. EKS Elastic Kubernetes Service. Okay. Elastic Kubernetes Service. In the Amazon CLI, we can create the cluster and add the nodes to the cluster. And in the control plane, already created the cluster and mapped and created the. Now I am creating the compute and added the worker nodes. I am creating compute. I will show when I will add the worker nodes. After that, I am creating one instance. I am creating one EC2 instance. I am creating one EC2 instance. I am creating one Red Hat image. I will take. I take it. I taken. Okay. Keep it. No issue. I will launch the instance. I am downloading the packages, all the things. I will connecting through EC2 instance. Some SSH issue is there. Okay, I will no issue. No issue. It will connect. Yesterday also I faced same issue. It will connect. I will reboot instance. It will connect. It will connect 2 3 minutes. Yesterday also same issue I faced. Otherwise, this is common issues. I will start this one. Already is there. So I start this. Already running. Yesterday I stopped due to the heavy one. Okay. Sudo su. Okay. See carefully. I am Installing already connected okay mobile number putti okay. Download kubectl by using the script ls space hyphen lsrth. See here I will give the permission also. Okay, and move to the user local bin. Okay, kubectl version yes v1 1.284. Okay, after this download Amazon CLI by using the command. This is I am installing the Amazon CLI. Okay, after this on zip. After the I will give access key. This is my access key. I created yesterday. Go to your account, check security credentials. Under that, you can create the access key. Unzip. After this, AWS configure. Okay, next concept is we can use Terraform is the next concept. You can use Terraforms. How to use Terraforms in real world? AWS config. You can use our access keys. This is already generated my access key. Okay, this is small letters. Okay, it will show none yesterday. So I troubleshooted by using this US hyphen east one. You can use small like this here. US hyphen east hyphen one same as. Okay. After this, how many cluster is available? You can check this. Sorry, yes. This is I created newly created EKS clusters. Yes, I forgot yesterday also said. Now we can do how to get cluster in how to create cluster in command line. We will take this is the command. This is the command. US East one is matches with the exact region demo Kubernetes. Okay. So I downloaded or not EKC. I am not downloaded. I think 1 minute. Yeah, EKCS I am not downloaded. Okay. Wait, I downloading EKCS EKCTL. CTL. Okay, everything is same. Okay, no missed steps. Everything is perfect. Okay, everything is perfect. Okay, okay, done. EKSCTL. EKS. Where EKS is missed. Okay, everything is there. Okay, understand. Letter. EKSCTL. Where I missed EKSCTL. This is cluster updating. For EKSCTL I did yesterday. I forgot to update this. Okay, sorry. And did understand. witness CP. File is in local, so I have no key. So I will do here. I will do this. We will check. This is not working. Yesterday I did. This is not working. This file is there in my local. See EKS system security. Okay, this file is in my local. I return. Okay, EKS is security. Look, no, but I have no key pair. I will do my best. Otherwise, I will how to create a cluster in a command line. I will not choose because I have no key pair. I will try my best. Thank you. As space hyphen XV. Wait. We'll check. I have one key. Is there. I will generate. I generate my key. It is connect or not verify. If it is connect, I will show. I will search any other option. Why it's not doing? Without EKS, we cannot create cluster in command line. So I forgo. 1 minute. I will revert this. So I will try this. Okay. I will select keep it. Okay. instance. CPU I will show if it's working. Otherwise, I will configure under GUI mode only. Yesterday I did command line also. I prepare a documentation. Okay, no issues. It's not connecting. I will try another instance. I will try on my another instance. We will check. I am trying this. Otherwise, I created a GUI mode only. If it is working, I will show you. No, I will. It will not. Okay. I will create one more instance and check. I will start this instance and I'll check. If working, then no issues. I will create cluster in command line also. Otherwise, you cannot do this. Otherwise, I will show you here. I will show you here in this. This is best option. I will show you in this. Okay. I have already.